Are you ready to dive into one of the most promising career paths in India? A career path where innovation meets efficiency, where global connections fuel local growth. We're talking about the exciting world of supply chain management, the backbone of today's interconnected economy. From the moment you order something online to the instant it arrives at your doorstep, a sophisticated network of professionals ensures everything flows seamlessly. This is the world we're about to explore, a world brimming with opportunities for talented individuals like you. India, my friends, is on the move. We are witnessing an economic resurgence like never before. E-commerce is booming, businesses are expanding, and the demand for skilled supply chain professionals is skyrocketing. Companies are searching high and low for talented individuals who can manage the intricate dance of goods, information, and finances. And let me tell you, the opportunities are not just limited to metros like Mumbai or Delhi. The need for skilled professionals extends to every corner of our vast nation, from the bustling streets of Kolkata to the serene backwaters of Kerala. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly does a supply chain professional do? Well, that's the beauty of it. Supply chain management is like a multifaceted jewel, with each facet representing a unique career path. You could be a logistics expert, orchestrating the movement of goods with military precision. Or perhaps you're a master negotiator, securing the best deals with suppliers worldwide. You could even be a tech-savvy analyst, using cutting-edge software to optimize efficiency and drive innovation. And let's not forget about the rewards. A career in supply chain management isn't just about passion and purpose. It's also about securing your future. The demand for skilled professionals translates into attractive salary packages, often surpassing those offered in traditional fields. Companies are willing to invest in the best talent, recognizing that a robust supply chain is essential for their success. So, if you're looking for a career that offers both financial security and intellectual stimulation, look no further than supply chain management. This isn't your grandfather's supply chain. Gone are the days of dusty ledgers and endless paperwork. Today's supply chain is powered by cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things. Drones are delivering packages, robots are managing warehouses, and data analytics is providing real-time insights to optimize every step of the process. This is a field where innovation is welcomed, and where you'll have the opportunity to work with the latest and greatest technologies. And the best part? The skills you gain in India's burgeoning supply chain sector are highly sought after worldwide. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and companies are looking for professionals who understand the complexities of global trade. So, whether you dream of working in the bustling hubs of Singapore and Dubai, or the tech corridors of Silicon Valley, a career in supply chain management can be your ticket to a global future. Imagine being the unsung hero, the silent force that keeps businesses running smoothly. That's the power of supply chain management. You'll be the one ensuring that products reach customers on time, that inventory levels are optimized, and that costs are kept under control. You'll be a vital part of the decision-making process, working closely with executives to shape the future of the company. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding role, knowing that your efforts directly contribute to the success of the business. And just like any good film requires continuous refinement, a career in supply chain management offers ample opportunities for professional growth and development. There are numerous certifications and training programs available, both in India and internationally, that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Whether you choose to specialize in a particular area or broaden your expertise across multiple disciplines, the learning never stops. This is a field that rewards continuous improvement and a thirst for knowledge. Our government recognizes the importance of a robust supply chain ecosystem and is taking proactive steps to strengthen it. From infrastructure development to policy reforms, the stage is set for unprecedented growth in this sector. This translates into more job opportunities, better infrastructure, and a conducive environment for innovation and entrepreneurship. The time to join this exciting field is now, and ride the wave of progress sweeping across our nation. If you're someone who thrives in a fast-paced, dynamic environment, then supply chain management is the perfect field for you. Every day brings new challenges and opportunities, demanding quick thinking, adaptability, and a knack for problem solving. You'll be working with people from diverse backgrounds, navigating complex regulations, and finding creative solutions to unexpected hurdles. But that's what makes it so exciting. It's a career that will keep you on your toes, constantly learning and evolving. In today's world, it's not just about moving goods. It's about doing it in a way that's sustainable and ethical. Supply chain professionals are at the forefront of this movement, finding innovative ways to reduce waste, minimize environmental impact, and promote ethical sourcing practices. You'll have the opportunity to make a real difference, ensuring that businesses operate responsibly and contribute to a better future for all. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the exciting and rewarding world of supply chain management. If you're looking for a career that's challenging, fulfilling, and offers incredible growth potential, then this is the path for you. India needs skilled professionals like you to shape the future of our economy and drive us towards a brighter tomorrow. Join the revolution in supply chain management and shape the future of global commerce.